everyone. This was a kind of a weird question that came up in my Facebook group, and somebody said that a customer asked them to black out the return address so that the person who got the package wouldn't know where it came from because it was a gift. And she didn't know what to do. You can't do that. It's the kind of thing where the post office won't like it. The post office needs a return address. And I think that they said, can you black out your name? Personally, what you could do is write a different name, but that would just make me really kind of suspicious. If I suddenly I got a package at my house and the address was all blacked out, that would freak me out a little bit. I don't think it's good practice. And the post office doesn't like it, like I said. So you need to have a return address. That's just the fact. What I would ask the customer is there a different place that I can mail this? Because I can't do that. And it's basically tampering with a postage label. I guess you could use that as the excuse, but you need to have a return address, and you want to have your name on it in case something happens to the package and it gets returned to you. And that happens to me relatively frequently, where someone either doesn't pick up the package or doesn't get delivered and it gets sent back to me. I don't want to take the chance that it's going to be sent back and not come to me because it's missing the address. So don't mess with the addresses. And you can always ask the person, like I said, is there somewhere else? Can I send it to your workplace? Can I send it to your neighbor's house? And you can tell them that it's going to be coming to them. But don't change or alter the address just to hide who it's coming from, because there's many reasons for it. The main one is that the post office doesn't like it. So that's it. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later.